Hey there, welcome again to my video. In today's video, I just want to share some tips on maintaining your slot car. Are you familiar with the cliche that goes, "Don't fix it if it is not yet broken"? Apparently, this does not work out every time. Take the case of your slot cars, for example. Just like life-size automobiles, there will come a time when age would ultimately take its toll on them. They're not necessarily broken, but would you want to see this happen before you even make an action? Slot cars need an amount of regular maintenance to make sure that they are always on top-notch speed and performance. Unlike life-size automobiles, maintaining your slot cars is not really a daunting task. Just as long as you maintain and clean them on a regular basis, then they're good to go. As with any other machine, the parts that are always vulnerable to wear and tear are the ones always in motion. These are the tires, gears, axles and motors. If you start to notice that the slot car is gradually slowing down, the parts that should be checked first right away are the tires, gears and axles. Dust are oftentimes absorbed by the tires, thus making the tires lose their grip on the track. One simple way of cleaning the tires is by rolling them over Scotch tape. All of the dirt will simply glue their way over the tape, and the tires will tighten its grip once again. Axles and gears, meanwhile, are also susceptible to dust, dirt and lint. If you let the dirt accumulate, chances are it will clog down the gears and cause the car to slow down. You can simply use a pair of tweezers to remove those dirt pieces one by one. When everything seems to be okay on your slot cars and you notice that they're still running slow, then you now have to turn your attention to the slot car tracks. Remember, two of the track's main enemies are dirt and corrosion. If the track will not be used for a long period of time, it needs to be covered or have it removed from dust-prone areas such as the garage or the basement. Too much dirt and dust will get in the way of the flow of electricity, which could reduce the speed of your slot car. It is a big no-no to leave the tracks in humid areas. Be more cautious on moisture, especially if what you have is a metal track. Moisture will make the track rusty and will later on lead to corrosion. If you've seen that there's already an amount of dirt and rust that have already mounted up the tracks, wipe them off with a damp microfiber cloth, followed by a dry one. Scrub off the rust with a sandpaper or a wire brush. Of course, before you begin with the cleanup, make sure to turn the power off. Lastly, don't forget to lubricate your slot car parts and tracks once in a while. If humans need water for sustenance, then slot cars need lubricants too to them to keep going. Just don't overdo it. A moderate amount is enough for your slot cars to start running smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to add your thoughts or suggestions to this video. Remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more videos coming.
Hello.